Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by my channel. I wanted to do a flip through for this journal that I completed. It will come tied with this eyelash trim. The digitals that I used for this journal are from Artymaze, Dreamz, etc., and Adamo prints. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. I will link all of that information below in the description box if you are on my YouTube channel, and in the comments if you are on my TikTok. Okay, I don't remember how many pages are here. Not many. And also didn't measure it because I was absolutely prepared to do this video today. It measures 8 inches by 7 3/4. In here I have a pocket and a collage card. I did use quite a bit of scrapbooking paper, some textured scrapbooking paper. I inked around a lot of things with vintage photo. This paper is from Artymaze. I added some extra paper for journaling or creating that coordinated with the journal into the pockets. Another pocket here, and in this pocket, this little journaling spot. Make sure I'm still in frame. Yes, I am. Large pocket here with a couple of pieces of scrapbook paper inside. And this ledger paper you see in the back, this is not vintage paper, but I liked how it went with the rest of the journal, so I decided to use some of it as background paper. Bonus, because it's lined, it's great for journaling. Another pocket on this side with another large journaling card. And then 2 pockets here. This one has another journaling card booklet. And then on this side, in this pocket, a journaling card here. On a large card. And then this background paper. This is also from Artymaze. These smaller images are from Adamo prints, and the larger images are from these images are from Dreamz, etc. Another booklet in this pocket. This is one of my favorite images out of this set. This was a piece of a notepad, and I turned it into a pocket, and there was some floral work up here that didn't coordinate, so I just covered it with another little piece of scrapbooking paper. In this pocket, there is a piece of textured paper that matches everything else, and then another large journaling card. And then here is the back. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you have a good day.